Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Simran and today we're going to create this very sultry ultraviolet blue eye makeup look using Pat McGrath's Rose Decadence palette and her 006 kit. So if you'd like to see how to create this, then please keep watching. I'm starting off with Makeup Forever's Color Artist pencils in Versatile Violet and coating my entire eyelid with this pencil. This is an eye, lip, brow matte pencil. This pencil comes in another 39 shades, I believe, and it's really great for lining, smudging, and it blends so effortlessly. And usually when I'm using this on my eyelid, I don't prime because it creates a perfect tacky base. These pencils really grip onto the shadows and also bring out the pigment, especially when I'm doing like a monochromatic look. And then switching between a Sigma E33 and E36 brush, I'm diffusing and blurring out the edges of the curve on my lid with Jeffree Star's Bloodlust palette shade called Blood Queen. And I'm using windshield wiper motions and just going back and forth with the shadow. I'm also reinforcing that pencil on the lid to make sure I haven't lost any of that tackiness and brightness of the violet from all that blending. And now for the fun part, I'm taking Pat McGrath's Dark Star V2 006 limited edition kit for dimensional eyes, and I'll be applying the ultraviolet blue pigment all over my lid with my fingers first and then with a brush. Her Dark Star 006 kit comes with three things: a cyber clear eye gloss, the ultraviolet blue pigment, and a permagel extreme black eyeliner. And you can achieve a beautiful holographic multi-dimensional eye with just these three products, but I chose to combine a variety of her products and others as well, and I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you also so you can see exactly why they're limited edition. Her kits are really unique and really transformative. She also has two new lip kits, the Lust 004 V3 in Blood 1 and Rose Desire. And those have a clear lip gloss, a lipstick shade, and a microfine glitter. Her kits are just so special and they're so unique and innovative, and I'm always trying to incorporate her kits into my makeup style. Okay, now back to the eye. I'm taking Pat's Rose Decadence palette and I'm applying Peach Dusk all over my crease, slightly above the purple shade Blood Queen that I applied earlier. I'm diffusing and blending this shade out with a Sigma E33 brush. I'm using that because I want a more directional, precise blend. I don't want to spill the color everywhere. I want it blurred, but I only want it blurred above my crease. So if I wanted to blur out this color all over my lid and all over above my lid and spill it out all over my crease, I would use a wider, more fluffier, a larger brush, but I don't. I'm using this slim brush because I just want to diffuse that color just slightly above my crease because I am going to be building another color on top of this color. And this Rose Decadence palette works really well with this ultraviolet kit, this 006 kit that she's come out with. There's just such a beautiful color scheme in this palette, 6 shades, very corally, peachy, rosy tones, and it just works really well with these colors and blends really effortlessly. Okay, so instead of adding more matte colors to the crease, I wanted to make the eye more shimmery and sparkly even though the crease colors are lighter. So I took a Zoeva 228 brush and with circular windshield wiper motions, I'm adding Fuchsia Flame above that shade. And then with a MyKitco SS10 brush, I'm lightly applying Peach Dusk in circular motions near my nose contour, underneath my eyebrow, right where my nose contour would start, but still keeping the shadow in my socket, in my eye socket, to give it that effortless continuation of color. Now for the bottom eye, I'm lining beneath my waterline with that same violet Color Artist pencil from Makeup Forever, smudging out the color with my MyKitco's 1.20 brush as well. And then I'm also going to be blending Synthetica all over this liner, which is just another one of Pat McGrath's metallic single eyeshadows, really velvety and smooth with pearlescent shimmers. It really gives the eye this beautiful multi-dimensional look. Now to bring some balance to the eye, I'm taking Fuchsia Flame and blending it on my under eye below the metallic shade Synthetica and joining the colors at the outer end. And next, to make the eyeshadows on the outer end of the eye more diffused and blended and not as choppy nor blocky, I'm using MAC's Taupe Blush and gliding it along the side of the eye where the shadows stop. I don't know what it is about this blush, but it diffuses and blends and blurs harsh edges so seamlessly, which is why I'm always using it. I'm adding Danessa Myricks Angel Twin Flames, a multi-chromatic liquid eyeshadow with a MyKitco 1.20 brush, and dabbing and gliding it along my underbrow. And then to balance and merge the highlighter into the crease glitters, I'm reapplying Fuchsia Flame slightly over the highlighter and reinforcing it above my crease. And this will really merge and mesh and blend the colors seamlessly into one another. Applying that same highlighter to my tear duct, and to make it beam slightly more, I'm taking Danessa Myricks Enlighten Halo Powder, such a beautiful powder in Fire, and I'm dabbing it over. Now for my waterline and upper lash line, I'm adding more definition by gliding Pat's Permagel Liner from her 006 kit. Super creamy and smooth. This is a really easy liner to work with. Such a bold, long-wearing, waterproof, smudgeable, blendable liner. I wanted to add a substantial amount of blush because I wanted it to feel as if the shadows and the colors of the eye look are continuous towards the outer perimeters of my face. So I first took my MyKitco's 0.4 brush, dabbed the brush into Peach Dusk from Pat McGrath's Rose Decadence palette, and very strategically I placed most of the color from the brush above my cheekbone, beside the outer corner of my eye, and then with a soft highlighter brush, I also diffused and spread the color into my hairline and down towards my cheekbone. And I used this more fluffy brush to spread the blush, to diffuse and wash out the color above and below where I applied the most concentrated amount of color. And then I added MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Cheeky Bronze with the same brush to add some warm tones back into the perimeters of my face. I also switched brushes to make my face more angular with the bronzer, applying it with a more narrower, less dense contour brush. I also dusted the same bronzer on the outer perimeters of my face with that same soft, fluffy brush, that highlighter brush that we used before to diffuse out our blush application. And again, with that same MyKitco soft highlighting brush, I'm sorry, I really love this brush. I took MAC's Studio Fix in NC25 and lightly dusted the powder over the inner perimeters of my face just to bring back some brightness and life and really add some glow to the face. Then for highlighting, I used the same Danessa Myricks Enlighten Halo Powder in Fire to bring some light to the face, as Miss Danessa always says. Now for my lips, I wanted to contour them slightly, so I used MAC's Contour Palette with MyKitco's 1.24 brush and drew around my lips slightly. This is the Pro Face Palette Contour Palette. I also added Pat McGrath's Dark Star Mascara to my lashes before applying falsies. This is just one of my favorite mascaras. It volumizes, it lengthens, it really gives the lashes this length and hold, and it doesn't get clumpy or disgusting, and it doesn't stick together. It really separates the lashes and elongates them beautifully. Then for my lips, I applied that same Danessa Myricks highlighting multi-chrome liquid in Angel Heart, and as soon as that dried, then I took Pat McGrath's lip gloss as well in Naked Rose with this beautiful pearlescent shimmers, just to give the lips this multi-dimensional holographic effect. And then I finished up with Kat Von D's Lock It Setting Spray. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this eye makeup tutorial, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notifications for future videos. Thank you.